Hi everyone and welcome to a new video on the Geekanoids channel. In today's video, Huawei have very kindly sent me their latest laptop so that I could check it out and share my opinion with you in this sponsored video. Let's get this unboxed and take a closer look. So my initial impressions is that this comes supplied in a really nice presentation box. I can't wait to see what's inside. Wow. This looks so cool. I just love the way the box lifted up the laptop for me. Let's pop this to one side and see what else we get inside the box. So inside this first box, we've got a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Wow, we also get an adapter as well. So we've got USB-C here, and then on the front, we have got another USB-C port so we can still charge the laptop. We've also got a VGA port and an HDMI port. And then round on the back, we've got a standard USB-A port as well. We have some warranty information and also a quick start guide. And then in this last box, we've got the UK 3-pin charger. So 3-pin plug on this side, and then USB-C port on the other side. Wow, this looks really very special indeed. Let's open this up and have a first look at the keyboard. Wow, that looks amazing. And the first thing I've noticed that's drawn my attention is this little button here. The key at the back actually releases upwards to reveal the web camera. That is so cool. Now let's take a closer look at this, at some of the specifications, features and performance. The Huawei MateBook X Pro is a superb premium laptop for those of you looking for something with high specifications and a great turn of speed. Just check out this 13.9-inch gorgeous screen with near borderless display and a 91% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 3000 by 2000 with 100% sRGB colour and 450 nits of maximum brightness. Checking out your photos and videos is quite simply a stunning and engaging experience. And add to this the fact that the screen is 10-point touch enabled. This is just super useful for interacting with the laptop. Connectivity is impressive with that all-important 3.5mm headphone jack, one USB-A port and two USB-C ports, one of which supports Thunderbolt 3. The Thunderbolt 3 port is great to see. This allows you to connect a whole range of peripherals, including a 4K display and an external graphics card. Packed inside the lightweight 1.33kg MateBook X Pro is an Intel Core i5 or i7 8th generation processor. Add to this discrete NVIDIA GeForce MX150 graphics, and this gives it a great turn of speed to do many tasks, including some high-end gaming. You can also choose from 8GB or 16GB of memory and 256GB or 512GB of solid state storage. And this is great for storing all of your files and media. All this is kept working for up to 12 hours of video playback between charges, which is really impressive for such a light and thin laptop. Whilst on the subject of watching videos, sound is super crisp and clear with Dolby ATMOS support for really engaging movie sessions. The MateBook X Pro is available to buy in this stealthy shot grey colour in the UK now, from the likes of Amazon, ARGOS, AO.com and very.co.uk. They have this available with prices starting at just £1,299.99. Black Friday officially starts on the 23rd of November, but Huawei are kicking off their Black Friday deals early. You can pick up a great deal of this from Friday the 16th of November by checking out the links down in the video description. Thanks very much for watching, I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.